What's up, everybody? Just want to talk about this new product I got. It's called EDCi. And what does it do? It's basically an all-in-one formula for taking care of different things. Now, you can use it with tools or firearms or many things. In this case, we're using it with folding knives. So, this is a food safe formula. Okay, so before you apply this formula, what you need to do is make sure that you clean your knives very well. Okay, you shake this well. Okay, you spray it on. This is a spray on. Give it a couple sprays. All right, and then you use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe off the product. Okay, it's very easy to use. It's not expensive. So there are many different uh, you know different kind of products on the web for protecting folding knives against corrosion and rust and such. It gets confusing as to which one is the best one because everyone wants to protect their investments. So let's check it out. How do we apply this? So all right, so if it gets on your other materials like a G10 handle, it's not the end of the world, so you don't have to mask off. But if you're OCD and you want to do that, you can go ahead. So what do we do? Now this is a stainless steel. However, stainless steels can still rust. So this is why I got this product, and also because not only is it good for every day, but I want to also knives that are in storage. I want to make sure that they are properly cleaned, lubricated. That way, that rust corrosion does not form. Let's begin. So we'll shake this up. We'll apply a few to each side of the blade. All right. So there you go. Put that right there, as you can see. That's the color of it. Okay. Okay, it's kind of greenish. So you don't gotta leave it on or anything for a long time. And then you just carefully wipe it off. Okay, and I'm using just an ordinary microfiber cloth. Okay. So this is something that we can use for your both your stainless steel and your non-stainless knives. So I'm kind of focusing more on your non-stainless steels. This might be a good thing to have in your kit to take care of your knives, just to make sure that just to keep corrosion away. I will use this even on my stainless steel knives. So there we go. So once we wipe it off, let's see here. Okay, let's see if I got it here. Okay, so there's no like weird film left over. Okay, there you go. Looks beautiful. So now it's ready to go. Very fast. All right, so once again, that was EDCi formula. This can be used for many kinds of folding knives. It can be a coated blade as well. It can be a non-coated blade. So if you are looking into taking care of your knives, check this out. Okay, EDCi formula. Thank you so much.